Welcome back to the channel. My name is Doug.
And I'm Ashley.
We think it's time for an update to show you guys what we've been working on. We've been super busy, and that's why we haven't been posting a video, because we've been doing a lot of stuff that isn't that exciting.
Yeah.
Basically, it's not video worthy. We don't show everything and we choose not to show some stuff, but we're gonna show you what we've been working on. We got mosquitoes attacking me already. We have been in the car like all day, at least half the day, for hours.
Yeah.
We got so much done today. We made a list of things we wanted to get and we got them, so this is good. One of the things that we found while we were out is for our bathroom, we got a new sink. Our sink has rust stains and worn enamel, or I don't even think it's a porcelain, so I don't know what it is, but our sink is nasty.
Yeah.
So here's the sink, and you can see it's pretty nasty. It's just all worn out from the water. And so we're going to be replacing it. Awesome. Something else I did that I haven't showed you guys was I accomplished this goal. Remember I said the floor down here was broken? This was on our checklist. I put new paneling in here. I put a new floor in here. This is all
nice, strong, sturdy floor.
all new plywood.
And this wall has paneling on it too. That was like
one.
open before.
If you didn't see this before, it wouldn't make sense to you, but we had an old MDF shelf that was like breaking in half and sagging, and you couldn't use it down here.
And it was all like bloated and nasty.
Yeah. And here's the old floor that's coming out. And one of our friends of the channel, who has been very kind and generous to us, they offered to send us a brand new sink. And we told them don't worry about it, because at that point we weren't going to be staying permanently in the trailer.
Yeah, we didn't want to waste money unnecessarily on the trailer when we thought we were going to have to get rid of it. Mm-hmm. But now, like...
plans have changed.
Yeah.
We need to upgrade the sink. But I don't want you to worry about it, because we found this one at the, what is it, the Restore?
The Restore.
Restore, secondhand, and it's $10.
And it came with the faucet.
It looks beautiful. It's got the faucet. Mosquitoes are horrible. So faucet, drained, everything. It's in good shape. I'll show you the bottom. So everything's pretty clean. It was $10. And I just think we just couldn't pass up the deal, because we know it probably costs way more than that even just to ship it. So we appreciate the offer, but we have the sink and we're looking forward to it. It's a Toto too. Also, that's a brand I like, actually. Mm-hmm. So there's our new sink for the bathroom. We also found this while we were out, and this is vinyl flooring. We're gonna have to replace the vinyl flooring in the bathroom, and don't worry about what it looks like. It was on sale, and we got it for like $17, and we'll be able to do the floor for $17. And actually, I think it's gonna look really good when it's down in our bathroom.
It's a nice light color, so it'll be a nice contrast in the room.
Yeah. We're getting attacked
every day.
And we got wood. Not that, this. We have wood because we're gonna be doing some work in the house. Just some light framing. The front and the back of the trailer has these kind of weird windows, bay windows, and they have a shelf under them, and they're just kind of built oddly, and they need some fixing. There's some exposed wires in the room because of the way it is. I don't know. We're gonna fix it. So we got some wood for that.
Yeah. We think there used to be a built-in dresser there that they took out at some point.
Yeah.
So the wires were hidden. So we just want to cover that up.
We want everything tip-top. Nothing needing work. So we're gonna work on that. But we're excited because we have the vinyl flooring.
We have the sink.
We have the toilet. And we picked up some supplies today. We are like moments away from the bathroom remodel, which I hope goes smooth, because life without a toilet is kind of...
We're going to try to do that quick.
Yep. So that's coming really soon, and we've just been preparing for that and getting everything together that we need. We also haven't showed you, but we got our new batch of Bielefelder eggs in the mail. They came perfectly okay. They came a day early.
They came on Thursday.
So we have them in the incubator. We skipped all that. We just did it.
Yeah.
We didn't film it, so we don't have it. But we put them in.
We put them in on Friday, and the hatch date is July 13th.
So we do have more eggs in the incubator going, and you guys can look forward to that. So there's the eggs, 14 new Bielefelder eggs, which are a dual purpose meat and egg laying breed. So really cool. I hope they hatch. We better get more than one this time. Doing good. Look at. Oh, can you see it? I don't know. There's just a massive swarm of mosquitoes out here, but we just wanted to film outside so we could show you what we got, and also because it's more light than in the house. So we're dealing with it. What else? Hi. Is this zoomed in? No. Boy, I don't know. We're running out of light. We got a couple things to do. We're gonna eat something now, and then we're just getting the house cleaned up. Oh, are you okay?
Come here.
We're just getting the house cleaned up, working on everything. We're like powerhousing it. Guys, the update, the special secret news is that we might be listing our house sooner than spring. Some of you guys told us to, and we were thinking, okay.
Yeah.
So if we can really pump and get this done, we'll list it when it's ready. That's all I can say.
Which could be soon.
It could be this summer.
Yeah.
We might not wait. We might wait, we might not. We're just gonna see how it goes, but we're on track. So we're pushing hard, we're gonna make it happen. Here's the super chick update. The chicks are doing perfect and they're growing up fast. Look at the wings on them. Wow, I have been so busy that I don't even get to look at these often, and they're getting big.
How old are they now?
I don't know. How old? So this is our Bielefelder,
Yep.
and these are the two Icelandics.
Yep. Getting huge.
Doing so good.
This has been working awesome.
And we're doing a fine bedding as a sawdust bedding, which some people don't like, but it's working really good for them. No problems. Guys, look how cool at night. That's with the bedroom light on. Look how cool that hallway wall looks that we just built the other day with the polycarbonate. This is a twin wall 6mm polycarbonate, so it's about 1/4 inch thick. Total privacy. A lot of you guys suggested that we put another piece on the back side for more privacy. You just can't really see in there at all. But look how cool it looks at night. Compared to this. Awesome. And it's hard to see with the light off, but there's still light coming from the back window. And the camera doesn't pick it up good. It looks darker than it is, but it still feels really neat. Well, Maverick wants to say goodbye. I think that's all we have for today. I wish we had more to share. It's just like we're so out of time. There are not enough hours in the day to do everything that we're trying to do.
But we'll be showing things coming up, like doing the bathroom and...
Yeah, bathroom videos. We'll show you the hose thing just for fun. And trimming the spruce, all that stuff. We'll try to film it. We've just been doing like... It's hard when you're rushing and it's dark or whatever to
You're
make
just trying to go to all the stores and get the supplies.
Yeah, super update, super quick update. And I hope you guys are doing well. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.
Bye. Hey, Grumpy. He just plops.
Curling up in the cool grass.
Yep.